ArtCenter Extension's secure online registration is the fastest way to register and pay for classes. Let's go through the process together in this video tutorial. Start by typing www.artcenter.edu/acx into your browser. Next, navigate to the Courses tab at the top left of the screen. This page is where you can find all the information for upcoming and current classes, as well as look through featured courses. If you scroll down, you'll see our up-to-date COVID-19 policy, and then a green box that says Online Registration. Below here is where you can find all the current class listings at ACX. You can filter by area of study or type a specific name of a course you'd like to read more about. Once you're ready, the next step is to register through the green online registration box. For returning students, you'll be prompted to sign in before selecting your course. For new students, you will go straight to the course selection page. At the course selection page, you have the option of searching by start or end date, or searching through an ACX course code. ACX course codes are the 3 or 4 number-letter combinations following the ACX prefix. They represent an individual course or workshop. Once clicking search, you'll be redirected to the courses available with the filters you selected. Here you can add courses to your cart by clicking the Select button on the top right of the course you want to enroll in. Click Add Section and you'll get a check mark verifying it was added to your cart. You can also add multiple classes to your cart. Once you're done, you can hit the Next button at the top right. At this page, new students will be able to set up their account with ACX. You'll start by putting in a few personal details that include your name, birth date, phone number, and address. Once you reach the bottom, click the box certifying the information is correct and click Submit. The next page asks for optional additional information about your educational goals, reason for taking the course, and how you learned about ACX. After clicking Submit, you'll be taken to the payment screen where you can see the course you selected and add the method you'd like to pay with. If you want to add another class at this time, you can click the button in the top left and make your additional selection. If you're ready to check out, you can click the Proceed to Payment button. You'll be asked to check that your selection is correct one more time and then click Pay Now. Now you'll be redirected to a secure payment window where you can input your card information and finish paying for your course or courses. After you finish submitting payment, you will receive a confirmation of your enrollment and a receipt through the email provided. For any following questions or additional information, you can reach out to the ACX team through email at acx@artcenter.edu. Finally, you can mark your calendar with the course start date and meeting times and enjoy your class with ArtCenter Extension.